My name is Agunbiade Folashade Janet. I'm here to present a short video on how to enroll students in a course as an administrator. Having the permission as an administrator, we can enroll students into a course as we want. First thing we are going to do is to open up the course. After opening up the course, then we move on to course administration block, where we have users. Clicking on the users, we have the subtopics enrolled users, enrollment methods, group permissions, other users. We can click on enrolled users. We can click on enrolled users. When the page for enrolled users comes up, then we have the options button where we have enroll users and at the same time enroll cohort. We can enroll users into our course by clicking on the enroll users button. When the enroll users page comes up, we have some users already in that page and we have the enroll button in front of each of already registered users. Here we have assign role. The default assign roles is students, but we can as well assign any other roles for a user. Like we can change the role from being a student to manager to teacher to non-entity teacher as we want. But here we want to enroll. We want to enroll students. So we are going to click on the button in front of each user to enroll them into that particular course which we want them to be. When we are through with clicking on the enroll button in front of the names of those people, then we can click finish enroll users. On clicking on finish enroll users, then it will display the enroll users like this one that we have on the page that is appearing here. Now we can as well enroll group of students into our course. We refer to the group of students as cohort. We can enroll cohort. To enroll cohort, we can click on enroll cohort button. Can click on enroll cohort button. Here we have enroll and some students that have been enrolled as cohorts under maths 1, Moodle admin, and so on and so forth. When we have done that, then we can click on finish enrolling user. Can click on finish enrolling users. Then we can as well move on to under the user on the course administration block. We can click. We have the enrollment method we can make use of too. We can choose. Under the enrollment method, we have manual enrollment method, we have self enrollment, then we have guest access. Anyone you want to choose there, we can just click on it. Can just click on it, or rather we go to site administration. We go to site administration block. Can go to site administration block where we can click on users and then on accounts. Then we have the opportunity to browse list of users. That is the list of users that we have. Can browse the list of users. We can check on bulk user action. Can click on bulk user action. We can select those that we want to maybe be in that course. You can select by clicking on each of the name and click select. It will move on to this second column. When we are through with that, then we can click on add to selection. Then it will be adding the names to the other column one by one. Then we can add a new user individually. Can add a new user individually by filling in all the necessary information concerning that new user that we want to add. When we are through with filling all those information in, then we can click on create user. As well, we can add cohorts. Can add cohorts to the one that we already add by coming here. Then we can click on add. On clicking on add button, we bring out a page whereby we can add a new cohort, and we can give the cohort a name, give it cohort ID, and we can describe, say something about the new cohort we are adding. Then when we are through, then we can click on save changes. We can upload users as well into our course. As I've said earlier on, maybe bulk user, we can upload bulk users. Can upload bulk users by clicking on upload users command. Then it will give us a page whereby we can choose a file, that is a file whereby we have the name of all those users that we want to add. You can click on choose a file, then we can go to choose that file, and then we upload bulk users onto our course. Can as well upload the user's picture by clicking on the upload user's picture command. This will give us an opportunity to choose a picture and upload it for a particular user by clicking on choose a file and get the file where that picture of that particular user is being stored, and upload it by clicking upload user picture. By clicking on upload user picture, so we can enroll as many students as we want. Then we can as well change their role. As I've said earlier on, maybe from being a student, want to give that person permission to maybe to act for manager, as the manager for a while. We can do all those things under the course administration column. Under the course administration column, can carry out all those action by clicking on users, as I've said earlier on, and click on enroll users. Maybe after you might have chosen the method of our enrollment, then we can just click on enroll user and choose and enroll students into that course as we want. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Thanks for listening.